Hello, homeowners. Are you 62 or older and looking for a way to tap into your home's equity without setting or taking on a monthly payment? I'm here to help you explore the benefits of a reverse mortgage. With Next Mortgage, you get access to top lenders, expert guidance, and a team that truly cares about your financial future. We make the process simple, transparent, and tailored to your needs so you can enjoy your retirement with peace of mind. If you are curious about how a reverse mortgage could work for you, don't wait. Contact me today for free non-obligation consultation. Let's see how Nexa can help you unlock your home's potential and live your best life. Click the link and send me a message. I'm here to help.